Welcome to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the absolute first look at the future of professional tech. For over 3 years, a massive void has existed in the premium camera market. Ever since the legendary Fujifilm X-Pro 3 vanished from store shelves, street photographers and elite purists have been asking one single question: is the iconic digital rangefinder dead? While the entire industry remains silent, a massive wave of authenticated supply chain leaks and internal engineering roadmaps just shattered that silence. Fujifilm is not just preparing a comeback, they are actively developing a flagship powerhouse designed to completely reset the expectations of premium hybrid creators. If you have been sitting on an endless backorder list for the X106, or if you have been eyeing a digital rangefinder but refuse to pay the astronomical prices demanded by Leica, what we are breaking down today will change everything. This is the definitive, uncompromised look at the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4. To understand why this development is shaking the premium camera space, we have to talk about what is happening beneath the magnesium chassis. According to leaked internal roadmaps, Fujifilm is finally standardizing its most advanced imaging core into the rangefinder form factor. The X-Pro 4 is ditching the aging 26-megapixel system of its predecessor and stepping directly into the next generation with a massive 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR backside illuminated sensor. This is the exact high-resolution powerhouse that made waves in the X-T5 and X-H2, but it has been highly optimized here for maximum thermal efficiency in a slighter, more streamlined body. For pure resolution enthusiasts, the leaks confirm this sensor will unlock a specialized 160-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. This means an ultra-compact rangefinder, historically reserved only for quick-streak candids, is transforming into an absolute commercial weapon capable of producing medium-format levels of sheer, raw detail. But high resolution is completely useless if your shot is ruined by micro-jitters, and this brings us to the single biggest engineering triumph hidden inside the new architecture. For the first time in the history of the X-Pro lineup, Fujifilm has successfully engineered a custom, ultra-slim in-body image stabilization system specifically for this chassis. The supply chain data confirms a newly developed 5-axis IBIS assembly capable of delivering up to a massive 8 stops of stabilization. If you have ever shot with an X-Pro camera in low light, you know the struggle of keeping your shutter speeds high enough to avoid blur without cranking your ISO to destructive levels. This new stabilization hardware alters the entire shooting dynamic. It enables crisp, handheld long exposures in pitch-black alleyways, making it an indispensable tool for documentary and documentary-style creators who operate entirely without tripods or heavy rigging. This physical stabilization layer is coupled directly with a massively upgraded computing core. The processing duties are being handled by the advanced X Processor 5 engine, which brings sophisticated deep learning artificial intelligence straight into the autofocus tracking matrix. The new 425-point intelligent hybrid autofocus system features real-time subject detection algorithms capable of locked tracking on human faces, eyes, vehicles, and animals with surgical precision. For street photographers, this solves the classic rangefinder dilemma. You can now compositionally focus on the geometry of your frame while the underlying AI architecture instantaneously locks onto a fast-moving subject entering the zone. However, the most explosive and heavily debated aspect of the X-Pro 4 rollout involves the physical exterior, specifically the rear LCD screen. The previous generation featured a highly polarizing hidden screen layout that required creators to physically fold the monitor downward to see it, a design choice meant to force a vintage, distraction-free shooting experience. Credible structural leaks reveal that Fujifilm has listened to intense feedback from the global community. The X-Pro 4 is officially abandoning the hidden display concept in favor of a highly sophisticated, multi-way tilting flush screen. This design retains the clean, minimalist lines of a classic rangefinder when closed, but pulls out instantly to support low-angle vertical and horizontal shooting. It is a massive win for modern hybrid creators who need practical, rapid deployment in the field without fighting the hardware. Speaking of hybrid capability, the video specifications leaked from recent production roadmaps show that Fujifilm is no longer treating the X-Pro series as a stills-only luxury. The camera is stepping into serious cinematic territory, offering internal 6.2K recording alongside full 4K at 60 frames per second in 422 10-bit color depth. The internal architecture will support high-end professional workflows, including ProRes and Blackmagic RAW output directly via the upgraded USB-C or HDMI ports. Combined with the legendary film simulations, which are rumored to include a brand new, unannounced analog emulsion profile, this turns the rangefinder into a highly stealthy, cinema-grade B-cam for high-budget productions. The iconic centerpiece of the entire rangefinder experience, the hybrid optical and electronic viewfinder, is receiving a major hardware evolution. Fujifilm is keeping the optical viewfinder intact, completely shutting down rumors that they would transition to a pure electronic system. Instead, they have upgraded the electronic layer to a breathtaking 5.76 million OLED panel with significantly higher magnification and an ultra-fast refresh rate. This allows you to toggle instantly between the pure, zero-lag analog optical window and a pristine, high-resolution digital preview that shows your exposure, white balance, and film simulation in real time. Let us talk about the global timeline and where this puts your wallet. Given the extensive research and development required to cram an 8-stop stabilization system and a 40-megapixel sensor into a weather-sealed magnesium shell, production schedules point toward an official global announcement in the final quarter of 2026, tightly following the anticipated autumn release of the X-T6. Because of these major flagship upgrades, inflation, and the premium nature of the hybrid viewfinder components, verified retail pricing expectations place the X-Pro 4 between $2,200 and $2,500 at launch. While this sits higher than the initial launch price of the older version, it places the camera as a highly competitive, immensely powerful alternative to elite, manual-only rangefinders that cost 3 times as much. The upcoming year is shaping up to be a monumental turning point for imaging technology, and the resurrection of this specific lineup proves that premium craftsmanship and cutting-edge performance can exist in a singular, timeless design. Fujifilm has engineered an absolute masterpiece that addresses every past flaw while pushing performance into the absolute stratosphere. Thank you for tuning into Tech Vibe. We want to hear from you now. Is the transition to a modern tilting screen the perfect upgrade you have been waiting for, or do you miss the purest nature of the old hidden display? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to remain ahead of the curve with the most authentic tech leaks, deep dive hardware analyses, and upcoming camera roadmaps, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button to support the channel. Keep your eyes locked right here, and we will catch you in the very next breakdown.